Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's video is about how to compile and run multiple C# files using command prompt. In first file, make a class such as student. In second file, make a driver program of student. Now, what are the content of these files? Let's check them. This is file number 1 and this is file number 2. Open CMD. Now compile. Now compile them using C# compiler. CSC is the name of compiler followed by the name of file. It's an error. Okay. It's still an error. Now what should we do? Both files are compiled successfully. Now let's run it. I am main function. I am a student class. Press any key to exit from this application. Okay, Allah Hafiz.